Okay, so let's solve the same system by graphing it, by putting it in the calculator. So what do we have to do in order? Solve for y, right? So this one we already solved for y. The second one here, this one on top, if we add y to that side and subtract 7, then we're going to get y equals x squared plus 4x minus 7. So that's what we're going to put in the calculator, those two. So if you want, do that. Y equals 2x plus 1 down, clear. X squared plus 4x minus 7. That look good? Graph. All right, we see our parabola, we see the straight line, and how many intersection points you see? You see 2, right? So now, how do I find the first intersection point? Second, trace, 5. The first curve, do you see it blinking? It's blinking right there on the straight line, so that's okay. And now it jumps to the quadratic, and so we'll say, okay, that's good. And we guess. And it says the answer is 2, 5. That was one of our solutions. Okay, here's the thing you got to understand. If we go through the second process again, the same way, we're going to get the same point. We need it to go to the other point. So how do we do that? Well, before you start, move the cursor. Use the trace and just move the cursor closer to that second point. Like that. If it's closer down there, now when you go second, trace, 5, first curve, second curve, guess, it should jump to the other solution. Okay? So it's something you may not realize when you start it. Now you know.